Imagine you receive a Slack message. Hey, why do we lose revenue this quarter in the West region? And getting the answer to that means stopping what you're doing, opening multiple tools and tabs, pulling in data, and building the answer by hand, and then repeating the same process with different cuts per audience member. It's tempting to think that, hey, if I just had answers where I work, life would be so much easier. However, copilots are actually not grounded in your business. They give fast, generic, and untrustable answers, which is way worse than getting no answer at all. Kaiya actually knows your business, your definitions, your ontology, your rules, and the way that your team thinks. The semantic layer, the reasoning, and the memory, we have spent years building them and solved the hard part for you. Knowing your data is table stakes, but reasoning on top of that is what nobody else does. So when you say sales in my region, it actually knows your region, use your own terminology, and it understands. The expertise that resides in one analyst's head now lives in Kaiya through skills, such that when you teach it once, every answer comes back grounded. The intelligence shows up everywhere where decisions get made. Your Slack or Teams instance, off of the page in your browser, or through MCP inside your team's agents. The same governance is applied everywhere with your policies and your definitions. The finished deck ships inside your inbox right before the meeting. The skills, the learnings, the context, all of them sharpen with every use. It plans, it decomposes drivers, ranks them, checks itself, and tells you what you should do next. Telius, it's the intelligence layer that knows your business, meets you where you work, and delivers the answers you need to win.